Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are happy, healthy, and doing great today. Today's topic is extremely important for every English learner. How to build confidence in English speaking fast. Many people know English grammar. Many people know vocabulary. Many people can read English books and understand English videos. But when it is time to speak, they become nervous. Their voice shakes. They forget simple words. And sometimes they stay completely silent. Does this happen to you too? If yes, then don't worry, because in today's video, I will share powerful, simple, and practical techniques that can help you build confidence in English speaking quickly. And the best part is, you can start practicing today from your home. So please watch this video till the end, because every part of this video can improve your confidence step by step. Let's begin.
Understand one important truth.
My dear friends, first you must understand one thing very clearly. Confidence does not come first. Action comes first. Many learners say, "I will speak English when I become confident." But this is the wrong idea. Confidence grows after practice. Think about riding a bicycle. At first you feel afraid. You may fall many times. But slowly your confidence grows through practice. English speaking is exactly the same. You do not become confident by waiting. You become confident by speaking again and again. So from today, stop waiting for perfect confidence. Start speaking now. Even small speaking practice every day can change your life.
Part 2. Stop being afraid of mistakes. This is one of the biggest problems for English learners. They are afraid of mistakes. They think, what if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is wrong? What if my pronunciation is bad? Listen carefully. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every fluent English speaker made thousands of mistakes before becoming fluent. Even children make mistakes while learning their first language. So why are you afraid? When you make mistakes, your brain learns faster. Instead of saying, "I made a mistake," say, "I am improving." This small mindset change can build huge confidence inside you.
Part 3. Speak English every day. Confidence grows through daily action. If you practice speaking once a week, improvement will be very slow. But if you speak English every day, even for 10 or 15 minutes, your confidence will grow much faster. Here are some simple daily speaking exercises. Talk to yourself. Yes, this is very powerful. Speak about your day. For example, now I am drinking tea. I am going to the market. Today I feel happy. I want to improve my English. This habit trains your brain to think and speak in English naturally. Read aloud. Take a short paragraph from a book, article, or subtitle. Read it loudly and clearly. This improves pronunciation, fluency, confidence, speaking speed. When your mouth becomes used to English sounds, speaking becomes easier. Record your voice. Many people feel shy hearing their own voice, but this exercise is extremely powerful. Record yourself speaking English for 1 minute. Then listen carefully. You will notice your mistakes, your pronunciation, your speaking speed. And slowly you will improve. This builds real confidence.
Part 4. Think in English. One major reason people lose confidence is translation. They first think in their native language, then translate into English. This takes time and creates fear. So try to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I am hungry. The weather is nice. I need to study. I am watching YouTube. Simple thinking practice can completely change your fluency. The more you think in English, the faster you speak. And the faster you speak, the more confident you become. Part 5. Learn useful sentences, not only grammar. Many learners spend years studying grammar rules. But confidence comes from speaking practice, not only grammar study. Instead of memorizing difficult grammar rules all day, learn common English sentences. For example, how are you? Nice to meet you. Can you help me? I understand. I don't know. What do you mean? Please speak slowly. These real-life sentences help you communicate quickly, and communication builds confidence. Remember, English is a language, not an exam. The goal is communication. Part 6, Shadowing Technique. Now let me share a very powerful technique called shadowing. Many fluent speakers use this method. Here is how it works. Play a short English audio or video. Listen carefully. Repeat immediately like a shadow. Copy. Pronunciation, speed, tone, expression. At first, it may feel difficult, but after regular practice, your speaking confidence will increase very fast. You can use English movies, YouTube videos, podcasts, interviews. This method trains your mouth and ears together. Part 7. Improve your body language. Confidence is not only about words, your body language also matters. When speaking English, stand straight, smile, maintain eye contact, speak clearly, don't rush. Even if your English is simple, good body language makes you look confident. And something amazing happens. When you act confident, your brain slowly becomes confident.
Part 8. Stop comparing yourself to others. This is very important. Many learners lose confidence because they compare themselves to fluent speakers. They think, "My English is poor. I can never speak like them." But remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Your journey is different. Focus on your own improvement. Maybe today you can speak 1 sentence. Tomorrow you can speak 5 sentences. After 6 months, you may speak fluently. Small progress every day creates big success. Part 9. Use English in real life. The best way to build confidence is to use English in daily life. Try these activities. Comment in English on YouTube. Write short English messages. Speak with online friends. Join English speaking groups. Practice with AI or language partners. Describe objects around you in English. The more real communication you do, the stronger your confidence becomes.
Part 10. Be patient with yourself. Learning English is a journey. Sometimes you will feel motivated. Sometimes you will feel tired. That is normal. Do not quit. Even if your progress feels slow, keep practicing. Remember, a small step every day is better than no step. Confidence grows slowly, like a plant. You water it daily with practice. One day you will speak English naturally and confidently. Powerful motivation section. My dear friends, listen carefully. Your English does not need to be perfect to be powerful. Many people around the world speak English with different accents and different grammar levels, but they speak confidently. Why? Because they are not afraid. Confidence is more important than perfection. If you wait to become perfect, you may never start. So speak today. Speak tomorrow. Speak every day. One day, people will be surprised by your improvement. And most importantly, you will be proud of yourself. Conclusion. So my dear friends, today we learned how to build confidence in English speaking fast. Let's quickly remember the main points. Stop fearing mistakes. Speak every day. Think in English. Practice shadowing. Use real-life English. Stop comparing yourself to others. Be patient and consistent. Always remember, confidence is not magic. Confidence is practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
So, my dear friends, this brings us to the end of today's video. I truly hope this video motivates you and helps you become more confident in English speaking. If you feel nervous while speaking English, that is completely normal. Every fluent speaker started exactly where you are today. The important thing is not perfection. The important thing is courage. Speak even if your voice shakes. Speak even if you make mistakes. Speak even if your English is simple. Because every time you speak, you become stronger, smarter, and more confident. Never underestimate small daily practice.
Just 10 or 15 minutes every day can completely change your future. Imagine yourself speaking English confidently in front of people, talking with international friends, giving presentations, traveling confidently, or achieving your dream career. That future is possible, but you must continue practicing, and I believe you can do it. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable today, then please support my channel. Like this video, comment below, "I will speak English confidently." Share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks for more powerful English learning videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep believing in yourself. And remember, your English journey starts with one brave sentence. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep speaking English every single day.